What's up, guys? Tech Coast here. Super exciting day for me today because finally I have got my hands on the brand new 2018 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and today in this video we are going to unbox it and see how it's different. And yeah, we don't need a knife for this because Apple has provided some pulling tabs from side, and here it is. Let's pull it off and unbox it and see. So here we go. Oh, what the heck? Man, I did not now expect that. Now I have to find a way to open this because I don't have a knife right now. I have to do with my nails, I guess. This one is a 64GB Wi-Fi version, 12.9-inch. And okay, managed to take it off now. Let's remove this plastic covering and the huge white box. And here's some wallpaper for the silver iPad. Yeah, it looks good, man. It really looks good. It's really bright. 600 nits brighter. Good one, man. And oh man, the huge Beauty and the Beast is lying over here in a plastic wrap. So quite a moment times. Let's keep this iPad aside and let's take a look at some accessories and some paperworks. And oh my god, look at that camera cutout. That's huge. So designed by Apple in California. So how do we open this, man? Okay, I guess we slide it from the top. Oh yeah, here it is, the quick start guide. And where are those Apple stickers, man? I guess they are huge too. Okay, leave them. And here's the type C to type C charging cable. Oh my god, that's good, man. First time on the iPad. And here's a slightly faster charger, 18 watts. Oh, nice quality. Actually, really, man, good quality. So now let's get back to the Beauty and the Beast. So let's unwrap the Beauty and the Beast. And I'm so excited to just boot it on for the first time. And it's 5.9mm thin. God. Let's unwrap it. And this is so satisfying part now of the whole video. Oh my god. It's all the good days to unbox an Apple product. So that camera bump is huge. And the whole design is like an iPhone 5 SE design, boxy design, those thinner bezels, 12.9-inch liquid retina display, and everything is good. And here is the magnetic connector for the second gen Apple Pencil, and the USB type C and two more huge speaker grills, a microphone over here at the side, and two more microphones and huge speaker grills with power button, which now also works as okay. First of all, here is the smart connector for the keyboard and Apple logo and that huge camera. So now let's boot it on for the first time and let's see how much battery it has, because okay, that big Apple logo, oh my goodness. Let's keep it here because I don't have a case, and let me tell you guys, you must have a case with this iPad because it's really thin and not that tough to bend it, and it actually had the bend gate issues we heard of before. And here it is, the screen, man. Oh my god, that's light up the bar. Let me set it up and I will be right back. So here it is, guys. We are in the home screen and I can already feel a difference, and it's actually running 120Hz ProMotion display. And here's how you activate Siri. Just press and hold, and yeah, Face ID works times better than the iPhone XS Max. Even you just look at it, it will unlock in the fraction of seconds. Okay, let's check what software it's running, because yeah, oh man, iOS 12.2, not that bad, but still we need to update it to the iOS 12.3, and nothing much. The iPad is really super smooth, super silky. This is the sleekest iPad ever in the industry, and oh my god. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, press the like button, let me know. Thanks for watching. Peace out.